Now let's bring in Gilbert Joekpata now, financial market analyst. Hello, Gilbert.
Yes, good morning, Mr. Laddie.
Good morning, Gilbert. So, yeah, tomorrow, that's the first half of 2023, comes to an end. And we've seen how Bitcoin has performed. About $16 to start the year in January. And fast forward to now, and we're at $30,000, about $30,300. And we're seeing a lot of volatility, at that level. But looking at what we've seen so far with price action, has Bitcoin really outperformed in the first half of 2023?
The first half of 2023 has seen Bitcoin move in a slow but steady upward trend. We started the year at about 16,000 and we've grown to about the $30,000 as of today. And this is a significant 80% profit gain so far in 2023. This is a significant increase, ignoring the short-term drawdown from FTX bankruptcy, Gemini drama, and even the SEC feud. Which caused the price pullback, but yet we did not break the downward channel and still respected the 25K inverted head and shoulder neckline. And it suggests that the market is becoming bullish. This is a bullish market, and there are a certain number of triggering events that could have been responsible for this, from macroeconomic becoming friendly to increasing adoption by institutional investors. BlackRock, which is one of the biggest investment company, filing for Bitcoin ETF. MicroStrategy has added an additional 12,333 BTC to its position, with growing interest from retail investors after figuring out that the worst of the last bear market was over.
And looking at, the second half, that starts 1st of July. What are you expecting for the second half of 2023? Is this still going to be, regulatory issues that we're seeing in the crypto industry, or do we see more tailwinds for the crypto industry?
Okay, there are a whole lot of regulatory concern, which I think it's a good thing, especially that of XRP. And I think the trend or the outcome of XRP is going to create more of a clear guideline for what we will see for regulations in the market. And also, we also have that of Binance, which is taking place. But overall, the outlook for Bitcoin in the second half of 2023 is still positive. And there are a number of factors that could impact this price for the second half. One, I think, is the overall state of the global economy, which could lead to investors seeking out for Bitcoin, and more other investors will also seek to diversify their portfolio to Bitcoin, and continuous adoption by institutional investors. At technical levels, 35K to 40K and 45K is a visible price action for Bitcoin for the rest of the year.
All right, definitely all eyes on the second half of 2023. Let's see if it's going to be risk on or risk off. Thank you so much, Gilbert Joekpata, financial market analyst. Thank you.
Thanks for having me.
All right, let's look at the top losers now. See, come there, topping that counter, 9.40% down. Pepe, that's the new meme coin, new kid on the block in the meme industry there, 7.63%. We've seen profit taken on that. Render token, $1.91. down 5.91%. So that's how the market is looking today in its neutral. And now, all eyes, what's going to happen in the second half of 2023, talking about Bitcoin price action, and I want a number from you now. What price are you seeing?
I don't understand why yourself and Aniti are putting me, in a tight corner.
We need your crystal
ball. And asking me.
I mean, your crystal ball.
It's your markets.
Yeah, but
I only step in every once in a while, so I don't understand why. Okay, so
I know you have a crystal ball somewhere, so I want
it's right under this table.
Exactly.
Okay, so just give me some time to check under the table.
All right, then you give me a number.
Tomorrow.
All right.
See you at 1:30.